Julie Phillips, your nature-based teaching instructor. You're looking at product 14.2. This is our nature-based teaching, a teacher's guide to passive solar design guide. This teacher's guide is a great overview of the key vocabulary and concepts of sustainability planning and construction, including the value of passive solar design, natural day lighting, and a green building approach to construction. Students work in teams to learn about passive solar design, the home building envelope, the types of passive solar design, a 10-step approach to integrating passive solar design into a building project, and the importance of these energy efficient and green building strategies for the building occupants, including our students and teachers, our communities, and the environment. The descriptions and drawings and diagrams covering detailed aspects of passive solar design and teaching assist you as the lead facilitator in sketching, drawing, and explaining these complex topics with your students. It's 15 pages long, and this guide we believe you will find extremely helpful. And again, it took us many years to develop this passive solar design guide. My husband Stuart, who's one of our nature-based teaching instructors, spent over 30-some years designing and building these passive solar homes along with our sons, and they're just remarkable. So taking what we've learned and putting into this guide, I think will be so helpful for your teaching and learning environment. So again, this goes along quite well with our other product, which is product 14.1, a teacher's guide to passive solar design lesson plan. So we hope you'll enjoy this guide, and thank you so much for visiting our website. Have a great day.